An alternative interpretation of Pangasinan's origin came from the word Kabuloan, or the place where the bamboo grows. The species of bamboo called the bolo bamboo is a particular variety that is known for its smooth texture and fine finish, making it suitable for weaving baskets. Basketry is a thriving and important industry in the mountainous village called Siaosio, an hour drive from Pangasinan's capital town, Lingayen. The village that has more or less than 2,000 residents is challenged by the absence of cell phone and internet signal, which is why locals here rarely participate in the world of social media and the World Wide Web. But the women in this community are blessed to have an abundant supply of bamboo that they use in their business. Farming is the major industry in Siaosio. Low-income women who are expert in bamboo weaving are taking their products and skills a notch higher. An informal cottage industry of basket weavers grew from the many women who developed a means to earn a living by gathering their resources in the mountains so they could participate in the handicraft making while taking care of their families at home. The Siaosio women have demonstrated a strong track record of being disciplined with the use of their resources. And the shortage on other materials did not stop them from persevering because they feel that there are one or more strategic opportunities in the future that they can succeed from. So in search of buyers for their products, they attended a Google-supported diversity event to showcase their one town, one product, and spread the word. They brought condiment holders, hats, bags, trays, baskets, and all imaginable products made out of bamboo.
Ako po si Josephine Amistad, taga Siaosio, Pangasinan. Isa ako sa mga presidente ng unang ka-association ng SWAL. Ito po ang product namin dito sa aming barangay. Ang una pong paggawa ng mga product namin, yung wild bamboo po ang product namin. Kumukuha kami sa bundok ng bulo, kahit kaming mga babae kaya namin kumuha. Pagkatapos yon, inaalis namin yung skin, binibis-bis namin. After that, nagda-dry ng 3 to 4 days. Pagkatapos nun, pag dry na talaga, maganda na ang kulay yung wild bamboo, pinuputol yon, tapos binababad sa tubig within 30 minutes para yung bulo lumambot. Pagkatapos yan, linilabel namin yung end ng bulo at ini-slice. Tapos inaalom na, ini-slice na ganito. Ginagawa na, ini-split namin pag ganito. Pagkatapos na, pag tapos na, ini-slice namin ng yung slicer. Pagkatapos, yun, nagwi-weave na kami. Nagwi-weave katulad nun. Ito na ang weaver. Talagang nagwi-weave na kami ng ganito. Kahit na anong mga design, anong mga size, kaya namin gawin.
Their products fuse silhouettes with traditional and contemporary artisanal techniques. Each piece that they make illustrates the tactile richness of different handmade textures as well as the artful interpretations of their lives and values.
Pagkatapos yun, pinipinis namin ang product pag may mga materials na kami. Kaya namin magpinis ng product. Ito ang ikinabubuhay namin ngayon. Nagkakaroon kami ng counting business. Maraming order. maraming matutulungan, lalo na po sa mga kababaihan dito sa amin. Makatulong rin sa mga nangangailangan ng product namin.
I'm Estelita Cabanayan, the Livelihood Coordinator of Local Government of SWAL. The local government want to help these women in Siaosio. These are their handicrafts made out of bulo. Like this, you can put a wallet or mini iPad and anything you want to put to this bag. And this bag, you can put your a laptop, also your iPad, and the accessories of the laptop.
We are the GBG Women from Sual, Pangasinan. These are our products. We can also provide embellish and accessorize according to your client order. We can also make another design and any kind of size.
Their products are created for those who seek great design and are equally captivated and inspired by the stories they tell. Now, they're looking for partners on technology to help expand their traditional businesses. They're looking for trainers and designers to improve their products that will allow them to penetrate a larger scale of audience in addition to the high-end market.